everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. Today's video I'm going to work in a commission dresser. My client wants 3 tones of this dresser. I never did before the 3 tones of this dress. I did 2 tones of this dressing. I told her if I can use a dark color because she wants the silver color, and I asked if I can use a dark color under the silver. She says no. She wants to see under the silver the wood tone. Let's go to the paperwork and see how I can make 3 tones of this dresser. Let's go to start. My client wants silver, but not this dark and not this light. I'm going to make my custom color. My client wants 3 tones of the dressing, but she don't want the black under the gray. I'm going to try to wash it and make another tone. I did before 2 tones of this dressing, but never I did 3 tones. I'm going to try this for my first time. I'm going to use the rug. Because she wants like a boho style, but dressing. For protect my piece, I'm going to use polycrylic in clear satin. I'm using my spray gun and of course my mask. Let's go to start. I'm going to use Rust-Olluem and gloss protective. I will do 3 coats. I want to thank you all for your support and love. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to make it. My client love this distressing, this whitewashed with wood tones and the silver under the whitewash. I in love with this dresser. I can do again because I really love how this dresser look. Let's do the final review and see you next time. Bye guys!